So this question is also quite an easy problem. How to check whether a number is even or odd? So quite an easy problem. How we can achieve the code? So here we can write the algorithm as if number %2 equal to 0. This is a modulo operator and it checks whether the remainder is equal to 0. So if the remainder is equal to 0, that is if s, print it is a even number, and if no, print it is a odd number. So very easy, we just have to implement this in the code. So how we can implement it? There are two methods. The first one is like we will use simple if else statement. If number %2 equal to 0, then print number plus is even. That will print, for example, we have taken 29 as input, then 29% 2, that is 29 divided by 2. So it does not become entirely divisible, so there will be some remainder. Okay, that is 1. So here the number will be odd, obviously, because this statement does not satisfy, then else statement satisfies, then it becomes odd. Next method is using ternary operator, and condition syntax for ternary operator is like this. First there will be condition, then question mark, if true, then perform one action, and if false, perform another action. So here as you can see, this is the condition. If number %2 equal to 0, question mark, it will check. If it is true, it will print number is even, and if it is false, number is odd. So quite an easy problem. It will print number plus status, that is this will be the number and this will be its status, as we have mentioned over here. So quite an easy problem. Do check this out.